Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 4th of September 2020 question number 16. Let x dy dx minus y is equal to x square x cos x plus sin x is a differential equation. If f pi is equal to pi, then f dash double dash pi by 2 plus f pi by 2 is equal to what? Four options are given. We should calculate the value of f double dash pi by 2 and f plus f pi by 2. A differential equation is given here, so it is the question in the house of differential equation, and it's a memory based question also. So the given differential equation is here x dy dx minus of y is equal to x square x cos x plus sin x. This is our given differential equation. Now dividing this equation with x, so it become dy dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to x into x cos x plus sin x. So this integrating factor of this equation if is equal to, we know, e to the power integration dx by x. So and a minus is here, so it become e to the power minus log of x is equal to e to the power, so it become 1 by x. Now the equation become y by x is equal to integration 1 by x into x cos x plus sin x dx. So multiplying x and x is cancelled off here, so it become x cos x plus sin x into dx. That implies y by x is equal to x sin x, and plus cos x minus cos x is cancelled off, plus cx integrating constant. Now multiplied with x, it become y is equal to x square sin x plus cx. This is our equation 1. Question gives the f pi is equal to pi. So putting f pi is equal to pi here. So it shows that if x is equal to pi, then y become pi. So if pi is equal to sin pi is 0 here, so 0 into pi, so 0, it is 0 plus c pi. That implies c is equal to 1. So putting the value c is equal to 1 in this equation, so it become, final equation become y by x is equal to x sin x plus 1. Now y is equal to x square sin x plus x. That implies y means f of x is equal to x square sin x plus x. Now f dash x is what? So it is x square cos of x plus 2x sin x plus 1. Now f double dash x is equal to what? F double dash x is equal to, it is minus here, x square cos of x plus 2x cos x plus 2x cos x plus 2 sin x. And we should calculate the value f double dash pi by 2 plus f pi by 2. So putting pi by 2, f dash pi by 2 is equal to what? So f dash pi by 2 is equal to x square, it is pi by 2 cos pi by 2 sin pi by 2 plus 1. So it becomes pi square 4 plus pi by 2, and f double dash pi by 2 is equal to f double dash, so here we put x is equal to pi by 2, so pi square by 4 cos pi by 2, so it becomes pi square by 4 plus pi by 2. Now the value of f dash pi by 2 plus pi, so f double dash pi by 2 plus f dash pi by 2, so adding these two, f double dash pi by 2, sorry, f double dash pi by 2 is equal to f double dash pi by 2, and that is equal to 2 minus this 2 here, cos pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 1, and so it is 0, so it is 2 minus pi square by 4, 2 minus pi square by 4, it is 2 minus pi square by 4. So adding these two, we get pi square by 4 plus pi by 2 plus 2 minus pi square by 4. Pi square by 4 and pi square by 4 minus and plus is cancelled off, so it become pi by 2 plus 2. So we should calculate the value of this function, so it is pi by 2 plus 2, and our option correct option is option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.